Well, happening today, the iconic Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas sign will glow red, black, and green to celebrate Black History Month. Clark County Commissioner William McCurdy II will host a ceremony at 5 tonight, honoring local organizations serving the African-American community, including 100 committed Black men and 100 committed Black women, the first AME Food Bank, and Masterpiece and Expertise Barber Schools.
And in honor of Black History Month, we want to highlight health and wellness in the Black community.
Shellye Leggett sat down with local health professionals who say there are some disparities in the community, though there are ways to not only treat them, but prevent them as well.
You may know the names of many African-American influential figures, from Martin Luther King Jr. and Rosa Parks to Maya Angelou and Jackie Robinson. They've made an imprint on every aspect of American life. But do you know Dr. Rebecca Lee Crumpler, the first Black woman physician in the United States? Or how about Mary Eliza Mahoney, the first Black licensed nurse in the United States? It's people like this that inspired Dr. Jade Norris, the founder and medical director of Nspire Primary Care in Las Vegas, to do what she does every day.
4 years old, I started saying I wanted to be a doctor, and that dream just never changed.
Born and raised in the Las Vegas Valley, Dr. Jade Norris saw there was a need at a young age.
Finding quality health care was really difficult. We just kind of grew up going to urgent care. I didn't even know primary care was a specialty.
Dr. Jade says that reaches deep in the African-American community.
Okay, most Black people are struggling the most with chronic diseases, and almost every chronic disease we talk about is linked to obesity and lifestyle, and prevention could help.
According to the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Office of Minority Health, cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death for African Americans. They are more likely to have hypertension, but less likely to have it controlled. And African Americans have higher mortality rates for most cancers, and more than 50% more likely to be diagnosed with diabetes than white counterparts. Jerry Gatow with the African diaspora of Las Vegas says part of the solution is knowing the history.
We know that Black History Month isn't just about the past. It's also about protecting our future. And health disparities, to a very large extent, still impact the Black community.
She says it's not only important to find the right medical professionals, but also to take a hold of the wellness aspect of your health.
It's a very important part of health and wellness because it supports more than just physical health. You know, it helps reduce stress, improves mental well-being, and builds consistency and confidence.
She and Dr. Jade say they want to encourage people to start now and make health a top priority, not just in February, but throughout the entire year.
Most people don't know that most chronic diseases are not only preventable, but also reversible. So we all have a choice, right? And we can choose to value prevention, or we can choose to be reactive in our health.
To help create longevity within the Black community. Reporting in Las Vegas, I'm Shellye Leggett.